Proposal software is an incredibly effective tool for winning more clients. And in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to use it to land more deals. Whether you're a freelancer, a consultant, or a business owner, leveraging proposal software can streamline your process, save you time, and make your proposal stand out. I've tested several of the most popular options out there, and I'm going to walk you through the one I recommend, so stay tuned till the end for an exclusive free trial you can only get here. Let's get into it. First, make sure you've got your proposal software set up. The beauty of this software is that it simplifies the whole proposal creation process, allowing you to create professional-looking proposals without the stress. You can start by choosing from a wide range of pre-designed templates, saving you time on formatting and design. Pick a template that fits your brand and the type of client you're targeting. This software offers easy-to-edit options for adding your logo, customizing colors, and even uploading your own branded documents. Once your template is selected, you'll start inputting the important details of the proposal. This is where the software really shines. You can quickly add sections like the project overview, timeline, deliverables, and pricing, all in one place. Many of these platforms also allow you to create custom sections for your unique needs, making it easy to personalize each proposal. But here's the game changer. Proposal software lets you include dynamic pricing tables and clear calls to action. If you want to make your pricing transparent and easy for clients to understand, this feature is essential. You can list all your services, add optional add-ons, and even break down costs in a way that's easy for clients to digest. Plus, your clients can accept or sign the proposal directly in the software. That makes the whole process faster and more professional. You won't have to deal with back and forth email chains or waiting for signatures. Now let's talk tracking. The proposal software I'm recommending today allows you to track when your client opens their proposal and how long they spend on each section. This gives you critical insights into how engaged they are. For example, if they're spending more time on the pricing section, you'll know they're evaluating the cost and may have questions, allowing you to reach out at just the right moment. And the best part? You can follow up directly through the software. No more searching for past emails or trying to remember who you spoke to last. The software tracks all interactions, so you can manage everything in one place and keep the conversation flowing smoothly. But before you go ahead and set up your own proposals, make sure to grab the exclusive free trial linked in the description below. You can follow along and start using the same tools I've been showing you here, all at no cost for a limited time. Just click that link, sign up, and you're good to go. Here's the key takeaway. To win more clients, you need to look professional, deliver clear and detailed proposals quickly, and engage your clients directly. Proposal software simplifies all of that, allowing you to save time and focus on what really matters: closing the deal. To quickly recap, pick a great template, personalize your proposal, leverage dynamic pricing and tracking, and follow up with clients directly through the software. It's that simple. Don't forget to grab your exclusive free trial in the description below. Try it out and see how much it can improve your client conversion process. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.